Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new bit on moonriver. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that after the breakout from a quite long-term down channel, and this was the channel by the way, I was showing you that the moonriver broke down the support of another rising wedge pattern, and it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. And this was my last video, when it was retesting the previous resistance of the channel as support. At that time, I shared this video with you. And I was telling you that this can be a very critical retest of the previous resistance of the channel as support. And in case of a successful retest, we can expect another bullish reversal from here. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after a successful retest, the price then moved up, but still moving at the same level sideways here. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared almost 10 days ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 20% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let's begin with my most recent trade signal for Moonriver that I shared on 31st of December 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal garter pattern that Moonriver completed on a daily time frame chart with the US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade signal: buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. Now, if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying zone and read the sell targets on here. And this was almost 20% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Moonriver. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this rising wedge pattern. We had rejection here, bounce, rejection, another rejection, and finally we broke down the support of this wedge. And after the breakdown, the previous resistance of the wedge, previous support of the wedge was flipped into resistance. We got rejected and retested the previous resistance of the channel, the bigger down channel that we have already broken out. This is the bigger down channel. And after retesting this previous resistance of the channel as support of the price and it's geared up, and now still it is moving very close to this resistance here. By the way, we have a quite long-term support of $10. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $10 has been previously breaking as a very strong support here for a few weeks. And before that, it had been breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here. Sorry, this is not the $10. This is $13.15 support. This is the $10 support. And you can see that this $10 has been previously breaking as a support here and support here. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance here and resistance here. And for several weeks, a month, it has been breaking as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Moonriver. Now, here on the 7 days time frame chart, you can see that previously we broke out this falling wedge pattern. And by the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout, and I was telling you the target will be here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 23 to $25. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, approximately up to $45. And over there, we had a key resistance because previously it was working as a critical support here back in the month of March 2022. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And after this rejection, we formed this channel. Now, after the breakout from this channel, there is a very high probability that the price then may soon also try to break out this resistance of $45 once again, because the technical target for the breakout from this channel is over here at $45. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.